Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, top cover, display panel assembly, and display bezel. Removal. Lift up and peel back the tape that secures the webcam cable to the webcam module. Disconnect the webcam cable from the webcam module. Remove the webcam cable from the routing channel on the display enclosure. Using a flat-bladed tool, carefully prise the webcam module from the adhesive that secures it to the display enclosure. Lift the webcam up off of its alignment pins and remove it. Replacement. Place the webcam onto its alignment pins and gently apply pressure to the webcam to adhere it to the display enclosure. Route the webcam cable along the routing channel that secures it to the display enclosure. Connect the webcam cable to the webcam module. Push down the tape over the webcam connector on the webcam module.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe for more videos and weekly updates.